So this home is completely staged and styled by Winning Interiors. So any of the beautiful furniture that you might see, the stools, the dining room chairs, these have all been sourced and supplied by us. That's the advantage of working with an interior designer who's able to help you make those choices for the home and then come and stage and style to complete it at the end. This part of the home design was my favourite. So originally we had just a standard balustrading that went across the stairs and up the landing, and then we introduced this beautiful American oak screening, and this allows us to elongate this beautiful cathedral ceiling and then also allows the light to come into this space so it's not too dark. Anytime we get the opportunity to integrate something into the design, I always try to include some bench seating around a dining room. And here we had the best opportunity to introduce a coastal stripe fabric, really help with that styling and give lots of opportunity for entertaining. Our beautiful kitchen was redesigned and we introduced this island bench, also with this gorgeous stone, and we use that as a splashback, so we had that seamless flow between the two spaces. Coming all the way down into the kitchen, we've introduced a new little butler's pantry that has a coffee nook. So behind this beautiful barn door is our master suite. Come on in and have a look. As you can see, we've got this beautiful coastal style and this master suite looks out onto the water. So originally the walk-in wardrobe was only half the size and this actual entry door was on the opposite side. So we repositioned that to give us some more footprint and then we custom fitted with all this beautiful laminate. So this is an exciting design in here in the master ensuite. So originally right down the back was a toilet and we extended this bathroom to give us a beautiful soaking bath. And then we have a beautiful double basin with a concrete stone on the top, BJ into the cabinetry. And then the exciting part is this beautiful walk-in shower. And the best part about this design is this stunning skylight that lets all the natural light in.